In this demonstration, you will see an intelligent, context-aware BI solution that automatically recommends relevant, personalized information to users, helping them discover hidden insights and make faster and better decisions. I'm a sales manager, and we're looking at the product sales through different channels worldwide. Let's see if Necto can help us find issues with any of the channels. We will use one-click insight button that automatically identifies irregularities in the data. And we can see that Necto identified a 13% decrease in sales in music, movies, and audiobooks. I wonder what's the reason behind it. Let's use cause and effect functionality available in Necto that can help us find a needle in a haystack and figure out the root cause of this problem. In just one click, Necto suggests 4 different scenarios that could cause such a decline in product sales. Let's increase the threshold to see only substantial changes in the data that really affected our sales. And we can see that resellers in North America experienced a 31% decrease in sales. This is a very interesting insight, and we should definitely notify the management team about it. So let's quickly build a new workboard highlighting the issue with resellers, and we'll share it with the team to discuss what should be done about it. We'll save the grid into the scrapbook. By the way, scrapbook allows you to keep track of any important insights and components that you find during your analysis, and you can then add them to any of your workboards in the future. So we're going back to the original workboard, and we'll add the new grid showing decrease in resellers' performance next to the product sales. For better visualization, let's change the grid into a chart and put a note on the chart with a description, so the management team that will be reviewing this workboard would know what kind of data it contains. Let's now check out Advisor that recommends the most relevant workboards for you based on the one you're currently viewing. On top, Necto makes social recommendations. People who viewed this workboard also viewed these workboards, basically the same type of suggestions that you get in Amazon. Below suggestions are based on the data. Necto understands the data in your workboard, and it suggests workboards that contain similar data. Let's take a look at one of these workboards that Necto recommends. Interestingly enough, we can see that resellers that did not do a seasonal discount for music, movies, and audiobooks had a 9% decrease in sales compared to resellers that ran a seasonal marketing promotion. I think this would be a very useful information for the management meeting. So let's go ahead and add it to our scrapbook. And from there, we'll add it to the reseller's workboard. And I think we're ready for the management review. So in just a few clicks, Necto helped us find a problem in product sales and recommended several possible causes for the issue. Let's enable the social bar and drag and drop colleagues that Necto identified as the most relevant to the data that we're currently looking at. So we're creating an ad hoc team on the fly to collaborate and solve this reseller issue together. Each one of them will be notified about the issue with the sales on the reseller side. They can all collaborate right here inside this workboard, and I'll be sure to check back to see what decisions they made. We can now return to the homepage and check relevant workboards to see what other important business insights Necto recommends for me to review that need to be addressed as soon as possible.